So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Queen Anjali, and today in this video we are going to see that what is Twitter and how we can create our account on Twitter. So guys, first of all we must know that what is Twitter. So guys, Twitter is a microblogging and social networking service on which user post, like, share and retweet the tweets. Twitter have some limitations also, like a user can tweet up to 280 characters at per tweet. A user can tweet up to 10,000 characters at per direct messages. A user can tweet up to 2,400 tweets at per day, and a user can tweet up to 1,000 tweet at per direct messages. So guys, these were some limitations that one must have in mind while using Twitter. So let's see how we can create our account on Twitter. So guys, for creating your account on Twitter, first you have to install your Twitter app from Play Store. So guys, here I have already installed my app, so I will simply open it. So guys, after opening, you will get some interface like this where you will see the option of create account. You have to simply click on it. So guys, now here you have to give your name and email address or phone number. So for entering your name, you have to simply click on name option and you have to give your name. Now for giving your phone number or email address, when you will click on it, you will get the option of use email instead if you are using your email address, and if you are using your phone number, then you will get the option of use phone number instead. So guys, here I am using my email address for making this account, so I am getting the option of use email instead, and now I will choose my email address and then I will click on next. But before guys you click on next, you are seeing one green tick in front of my email address. It means that my this email address is valid for making this account, or I hadn't used this email address for making any other Twitter account. So now this is valid, then I will click on next. Now here guys, here you also have to click on next, and then now here you have to click on sign up option. Now here it will send you a verification code that you have to enter. So guys, it had sent me a verification code. So guys, I have entered my verification code and now I will click on next. Now guys, here I have to choose my password, or you can say I have to make one password for my account. And guys, make sure that your password must be of 6 characters or more than it. So guys, here I will enter my password. So guys, here I have entered my password and you can see one green tick in front of it. It means my password is strong and it is of 6 characters. So now I will click on next. Now here guys, you have to upload your profile pic. So for uploading your profile pic, you have to simply click on upload option, and if you want to take photo then upload, then you can choose the option take photo, and if you want to choose from existing photos then you can choose the second option. So guys, I will choose the second option and now I will upload this profile pic. So guys, for uploading you have to choose the pic and you have to click on the option apply. So guys, here I have applied my profile pic, and if you want to upload the pic further then you can choose the option skip for now. So guys, I have uploaded my profile pic and I will click on next. Now guys, here you have to give your bio that describes yourself. So guys, your bio can be of maximum 160 words. So, and if you want to skip bio for now and you want to give it further, then you can choose the option skip for now. So guys, now I am choosing the option skip for now, and then here you have to sync contacts to your account, and if you want to sync it further, then you can choose the option not now. So guys, here I am choosing the option not now. Then after, here you have to choose your language which you speaks better or you understand better. So guys, here I am choosing this language. You can choose many languages, more than one languages, and I have chosen my language. Then I will click on next. Now guys, here you have to choose some topics in which you are interested in. So guys, here I will choose some topics like this. And guys, if you want to choose the topics further, then the skip for now option is also given here. You can choose this option. So guys, here I have chosen some topics. Now I will click on next. Then guys, here you have to follow some peoples. Then I will follow some peoples. I will click on follow 3. So guys, our Twitter account is ready to use, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and making account on Twitter was very easy. So guys, this was how you can create your account on Twitter, and if the video was helpful for you, then please like my video and please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you.